You just found the 2021 Honda HR-V. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Presenting the Honda HR-V, the small SUV that thinks big and bold when it comes to safety, convenience, handling, cargo, fuel efficiency, and infotainment technology. We think you'll agree it's an engineering marvel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, rear spoiler, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer. Kick your worries to the curb. This Honda HR-V is all about making your life easy and comfortable. Take it out for a drive today.